In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a credit card to the Costco app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options that you have to add a credit or debit card to the Costco app. Usually, this card will be used as a payment method when you reach checkout. So one of the simplest ways to be prompted to add a credit card is just to proceed to checkout. So even if you don't want to purchase something, you can still use this method. Go into any item page, add the item to your cart, and then go to the checkout function. So tap on your cart, you will see any random item that you added here, and then you can tap on checkout. When you proceed to checkout and you scroll down, the second option is going to be payment method, and in here you can select credit or debit card. By choosing this option, you will be prompted to input the card number, the expiration date, the security code, and any other additional required information such as the cardholder's name. And as long as you input all of the necessary details, you will be prompted to save this card into your account. So usually it is going to be a tick box like this, and it is going to be attributed into your Costco account for future purchases. You can also potentially find this when you go over to the menu, you access the settings, and inside of the settings for your account, you will see payment methods that are currently registered. But one of the simplest ways, as I've said before, is just to proceed to checkout and choose the credit or debit card option. This will then give you the options to input all of the details about the card and save it within your Costco account. And once it has been saved, you can quickly tap on it to use it for future purchases. Any valid credit card should work as long as you input the necessary details. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a credit card to Costco app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.